I want to show how easy it is to publish some content. So what I'm going to do is go to Boom URL, a site I created with Control Plane. I can upload any file that I may have. So I have a file, let's see, site number 1. I just have hello world. I'll give it, so first of all, the site is live already, but this only will live for 60 minutes. If I want the site to live forever, all I have to do is claim it, give it a name, Doron. It's available. I continue. I need to put in my email, and I'm going to get a 6-digit code. So let me grab the 6-digit code for my email. So my email just got it. I grab it. I'll share again. And here it is. And boom. So Boom URL site, Doron, is up and running. So getting a site, whether it's a full folder or a HTML page, a JPEG, a PNG, a PDF, or MD file, getting it up and running, boom, we got a URL. Now, if I wanted to make that URL on my own domain, it's as simple as saying publish, use your own domain. And now I can say I want to publish Doron on the domain foobar.com, and I can also do subdomain. I can say www.foobar. And of course, if I own Foobar, it will, I follow the prompts and boom, it's running on my domain. It's completely free. So that's Boom URL in a nutshell. Now, I can use Boom URL programmatically. We have an API, we have an MCP server, and you can just point your AI of choice to the LLM's text, and it will know what to do. Now, let me demonstrate in ChatGPT. If I go to my GPTs and look for Boom URL, I created a specific GPT. So now I can say, create a Cessna 172 weight and balance calculator and publish it as C172 in, yeah, it is already a Boom URL GPT, so I don't have to tell it in, where to run. So now it's going to ask me for, um, I don't know why my chat GPT is acting weird. Let's see. So the email address, Doron at control plane. Need to say allow. Let me see if my, please check the inbox. Okay, I'm going to check my inbox. And my inbox indeed has a number. I'll copy it into my clipboard. I'll continue to share. I'll simply paste the number I obtained from email and allow the thing to run. I'll verify the code and publish the single site. I verified the code and have published the key, have the publishing key for this conversation. I'm packaging the calculator with editable stations and clear verify against your pilot operating handbook guidance. So it's not doing anything with Boom URL. It's just creating a Cessna 172 weight and balance calculator. For those that are not pilots, every airplane has its own unique weight and balance calculation so that you're not going to crash. And here you go. So we just published a website on Boom URL, Cessna 172 weights and balance. and I can say my maximum takeoff weight, and I can say the pilot weight. So I have two pilots. If I add some back passengers, let's put back passengers. I'll say another 300 pounds. And now I'm outside of what is called the envelope. Now, what's nice is that I can, make it more graphical, whatever, and it will know how to fix it. I can say, make the graph a lot more interesting, and it will do its thing because it already has a publish API, and all I had to do is just type, put in my email, get a 6-digit code, type it, paste it. Uh, this guy will know how to publish and fix what needs to be fixed. So I'll upgrade the chart from basic rectangle into a richer weight and balance visualization with grid lines. But the point being, yes, Lovable and Replit and others will allow you to publish a website for maybe a month. It's not a permanent URL. I mean, not control plane. Control plane is what underlies um, Boom URL, but Boom URL allows you, let me just allow this. Boom URL allows you to have a permanent URL on the internet that you can share with your friends or customers, what have you, and use it for any purpose whatsoever. So the first update call was malformed before it reached Boom URL. So I'm retrying with a complete replacement page rather than leaving the current site have updated. Okay, so it's doing its thing. Let's see if it changed it. Doesn't look like it did it yet, so we'll leave it. The graph is now more interesting. Okay, let's open it. And now the graph is a bit more interesting. So if I go rear passengers 300, you can see it's now a little bit more interesting. Anyway, feel free to visit Boom URL, even if you have just a photo and you want to upload the photo. So I took um, I mean, you can, you can go to, you can even upload a full site. But I think you get the idea, so I'll stop the recording now. Enjoy.